Hi everyone, so today I made some blueberry muffins. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing and also don't forget to press the notification bells for any other new recipes. Now for today's recipe, I had 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a pinch of salt. I mixed it very well and then added another cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of melted butter. I continue mixing it and lastly I added 1 cup of blueberries. I mixed it very well and it transferred everything into a muffin baking tray. And then I preheated the oven at 350 degrees and bake the muffins for 30 minutes. Look at the outcome. So nice and yummy. If you want to try this recipe, you won't regret. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching.